welcome back to my channel. It's Anjela Shrestha, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to apply lens using lens kit, or you can call it lens toolkit. So you guys, I like wearing lens a lot. If you guys have seen my previous videos, I've been wearing lens in them. If you guys have not checked that, please do check it out. I'll link them down below. So let's get into the video. So this is the lens toolkit that I've been using. It comes with two tools. That is, one is a tweezer and the next is called connector. So first of all, I'm gonna get my lens out using tweezer. If you're someone who's wearing power lens, do not mix those up. I'm gonna use this tweezer and I'm gonna get this out. Then I'm gonna use this connector. I'm gonna place this right on top of it like this. Now I'm gonna apply it. It's way easier when you use this lens toolkit. If you do not have lens toolkit, it's okay, you can use your hands. And if you guys want to know how I used to apply lens when I didn't have lens toolkit, let me know. I'll make a separate video for that. So I'm going to show you guys how to apply this. Slowly press it on your eye and start looking around. There you go. It's very obvious for your eyes to get a bit watery, but that's totally okay. It should not feel like itchy or pokish. Don't say pokish, yeah? Itchy or pokey. That's all. I'm gonna get the next lens out using the tweezer like this, and then I'm gonna get the connector, place it right on top of it, and then I'm gonna apply this. So you guys, in such a way, you guys can apply lens and it's way easier and convenient. You can get this lens toolkit in shops that provide spectacles, lens and glasses. You can get this. It's very small. You can carry it anywhere you go. It's very easy to take off lens from this. And I'll show you guys how you can take it off. It's not that expensive. If you buy it once, it's gonna work for a really long time. I've been using the same lens toolkit since a year or so. But do clean this time to time, just like you clean your lens, because if there gets any dirt over here, it's gonna get directly into your eyes. Okay, so you need to be very careful while getting your lens out. If it's your first time, take your time and take out your lens very slowly. You do not want to poke your eyes while getting your lens out. So first of all, have your lens holder open so that you can place the lens in lens liquid as soon as it's out. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it out. It's that simple. Take it out and then place it on the lens liquid. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same on the next eye. I've already had this ready and open. Then I just can get it off like that and spit on the solution. Clean your lens. So this is how you can apply your lens using lens toolkit and get it off. It's very simple. I recommend you guys to try it out. It's way easier than using your fingers, because some of you guys might have really long nails, which makes it even harder. Like, you don't want to tear your lens, and there might be some dust particle in your hands that might get into your eye while applying lens. So it's easier and convenient to use lens toolkit. Do try it out and let me know how it went. If you guys want to see more lens videos, how to clean them and everything related to it, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to make another video for that. So that is it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Stay connected with me on my other social medias. It's linked down in the description below. If you guys have any video suggestions that you'd want me to make, do comment it on comment section below. I'll be adding it into my to-do list. That is it for today's video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.